What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Friday, August 21st, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. We have rounded out this week, doing an all right week. I'm going to send out a recap in the newsletter tomorrow, so you can look out for that. I'm also going to probably be taking a lot of next week off. Not off, just off of trading. I have some things that I keep promising myself I'm going to do. I have the opportunity to have some silence around here next week. I am going to take advantage of it. Silence is golden. I probably will trade, just knowing me. I'm not going to spend a lot of time. I only traded for 18 minutes today. You want to see what I did? Let's go check it out. Here is today, and it's the end of day. I did watch the market this morning. It was around 10 o'clock, around this area, I want to say, and it was just like bore me to sleep, and there was no way I was taking any of those trades. I actually went and did a few other things, and I laid down for a little bit, and then I said, you know what, let me just check out the end of the day. End of day usually gives a few things. Now, were there trades that I could have taken before? Yeah, but I think the reason I was okay with trading end of day today is because I knew I only had about 20 minutes to trade. I did have 4 quick trades in that time. 2 entries here, 1 loss, right back in, took the win, got out. Now, I did hold my second target, and I'm realizing that I'm doing this a little bit more. I'm realizing that I'm holding that second target. I think it's ego. I think it's my ego. I think it's me saying, I can't be wrong. This has to go further because I'm in this trade. But I'm also moving my risk up to an area that I know it's going to be easily hit. I got to keep those things in mind. Something to work on for sure as I'm going through some of my trades and doing my own review and self-evaluation of my trades. All right, guys, not a lot to say today. I am super glad to have y'all here with me. I'm just looking forward to our future together. Hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. Make sure to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the video and enjoy. Okay, we got 30 minutes left of the day, so I thought I'd just see what we could do. This does have long looks to it, y'all. Long looks to it, so let's see what's going to happen here. It looks like it's trying to keep pushing down, though. So let's wait. Woo! Double bar right here. Nice little reversal bar in both areas. Check that out. Couldn't get into that. Take it out. Okay, there we go. Time is it? I gotta keep a close eye on that. It's 2:53. I want to be out of here in the next 10 minutes, probably. Let me take one out right here real quick. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we just got this one left out here. We got about 5 minutes left of this, and I think it's about to take me out. Let's see. There we go. Let's see if I can get right back in here. There we go. Make them down and get me. Woo! Come on, take it out. Oh my goodness, I hate that. There we go. I have it super, super close, so it could very easily touch it at this point, right? Very easily. There we go. Okay. Well, let's see what it did. Okay. 7 1/4 in a 18-minute span. 18 minutes. So I think I'll take that and be happy. That one was only a break even. I thought it was more than that. So let's put these on here. And that's going to wrap up Friday. It is 3:11. The market closes in 4 minutes. Do I think it could have gone up a little bit more? Yeah, but I'm cool. I really managed that last trade a little iffy. I should have just I should have just taken it out instead of waiting for it to come back and hit it. That is something, I think that's my ego. Because my ego says, just hold it, Lindsay. You're right. It should go a little bit further. But I know that I have my risk in a space that would be easily hit. And really the best thing to do at that point is just take it out. But it is what it is. It's Friday. Next week, I probably won't be doing a whole lot of trading. I have a lot planned and recording. I'm actually going to have some quiet time in here at the house, so I'm going to accomplish a lot of things. With that being said, I'll probably end up trading, just knowing me. I'll probably trade a little bit, and we'll see how that goes. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. I hope everybody has a fabulous Friday. Have a wonderful weekend. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love y'all being here with me, so please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.